Hey guys, welcome to Nutfield. We got a Johnny Lydon, and is a 2-pack. Is the 2011 Chevy Camaro and the 1973 Chevy. So that you customizes from Ollie's. You don't know what Ollie's? That's is so. I think this is my second unboxing of it. So yeah, I like that. And when you turn it around, kind of cool. It kind of looks like the car, but the car do not have a carbon fiber hood. So yeah, there's I like this truck. So yeah, let's open it. And so Wednesday we're gonna do the Skorsky and Hutch unboxing. So yeah, looks, but that openness is kind of like a cool, decent design. Let's open it. First up is a 2011 Chevy Camaro, and it looks so cool. I like the orange and red. It's kind of like mixed. I like the highways. It is a two-door. You see two seats and two other seats at the back, so you can actually. Here's the license plate. Left off. Say left off. Kind of cool. It it does well, but yeah, I don't want to open the hood because that's not real. Kind of cool. Let me show you the base of chrome. I like this color. It's very cool. Now next up is my favorite. The I like. Where's the? Don't tell me this. Oh, it's okay. I don't need to hold it anyway. It's okay, but the wheels is too tiny. You can't even see them. It look like the truck is like you have no wheels. Like it. It's kind of cool because it's like someone gonna own it. I like the old someone like Jack Frost colors. Oh wow! Open it. Opening bed. Let's see. I can actually close it. Let's see. Let's close it. Yeah, I like that because Greenlight actually don't do that. And the license plate does say USA. I like that. I like this truck. It's kind of cool. I kind of symbols like someone like bought the truck and customized it. At the engine, you got the yeah. So I like it. I like I like those rims. I like to put it on it. I think they actually put the same exact rims on. Let me see. That actually was a 2-pack. So yeah. What's wrong with the window? Jeez, what's wrong with the window? It's fine. It's fine. I think I like both of them. I think this one had the some white to actually be on in real life as a real car. You do have the. I think I called this the Demon. It looked like the Demon. I don't know. I think I called the nickname. I think I'm gonna nickname the demon from hell. Yep, that's the demon, alright. Yep, you are the demon from hell. Yep, that's him. That's him. But in 164 scale diecast car form with him big horns at the back. Kind of cool. I kind of like the color. That's his nickname. It's kind of cool. Very cool. Yeah, very cool. But Jesus, Jesus Christ really don't like demons. So this one don't have a open the hood because I don't know to put the hood off. And you see in the interior it's a kind of like a metallic blue. And I think this is Jesus. I don't know. This is Jack Frost and Santa Claus. I don't know. Kind of cool. I like the white walls of I like that premium. I like that chrome look at the back. Kind of cool. Look at an old man will own this. So yeah, you can actually wait. I actually bought this from Ollie's. What I can see there? Oh no, nothing. That is kind of cool. Yeah, it actually rolls it. Oh yeah, you get it. It rolls on camera. Ooh, 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 ooh. So at the top, you would say I like the push guard that they call push guard. So I like it. It's kind of cool, kind of decent, and yeah. Let's turn the car from. Here's Demon from Hell. That way his nickname is that. And here's Jesus from Heaven. So nope, this is not gonna be a bullet in the gun episode. This is not gonna be a bullet in the gun episode. It will not. Will be. So hope you have a Merry Christmas and I hope you have a Happy New Year. And hope you get a lot of presents this year. We're gonna come to 2024. Hee haw.